Well, today we're going to be talking about Armtec and its Big O product. So, Armtec has been in existence since 1908. We are the oldest HDPE pipe manufacturer in Canada. Not only that, the Big O brand name is the oldest plastic pipe brand name in Canada. So today we're going to take a closer look at how our Big O product is manufactured, and then more specifically, we're going to see how it is being used in the agricultural world. What has led to the Armtec and Corma partnership is the fact that just like Armtec, Corma is a Canadian-based company that offers unparalleled technical service and support. So it played a big role when the time came to upgrade our facility in Orangeville. By using Corma's pipe-making equipment, Armtec can bring to market a premium drainage product at a very competitive price. Furthermore, Armtec can optimize its profile and its use of recycled plastics without sacrificing pipe strength or durability. The reason to choose Armtec's Big O pipe lies in one word: experience. We've been selling our pipe for more than 50 years as a reliable drainage solutions to farmers. We control quality through every step of the manufacturing process. Then it's all about customer service. With facilities across Canada, Armtec can serve Canadian customers better than anyone else. Our team of dedicated employees is waiting to serve you, and we're never any farther away than a phone call, text, or email.